MAMIDI Surya Chaitanya Reddy. I am studying 4th class. Now I am going to explain you two table how to learn easy way. Let us go to our lesson. First we should draw this table, 2 rows, 10 columns. We should write here 2. We should skip one number 4, skip one number 6, skip one number 8, skip one number 0. We should write this one only in all boxes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. First we should write here 0, 0, 0, 0. We should write here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 4. First we should write 1 to 10 in the first row, 11 to 20 in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See friends, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20, 2 elevens are 22, 2 twelves are 24, 2 13s are 26, 2 14s are 28, 2 15s are 30, 2 16s are 32, 2 7s are 34, 2 18s are 36, 2 19s are 38, 2 20s are 40. This is the 2 table. You can learn like this 2 table easily. If you like this video, subscribe and share it. Thank you for watching this video.